Okay, so we're going to walk through how to apply for the Teachable Credit Indiana program. While you're here on the teacher page, make sure that you review the eligibility requirements as well as the application instructions, and then you can click apply. I'll open a new tab and you should see the application portal. You can click apply today in the top right corner, and then you'll click on create a new account. So go ahead and enter your email address as well as the password, and then click on register. Once that loads, that should take you straight to the application. You can go ahead and go through that, starting with your contact information. Please verify that your email address is correct, as we'll be using that to communicate with you for application and program updates. You'll fill out your school information, demographic information, information about your background and courses that you're currently teaching. And then here for the administrator acknowledgement letter, please make sure that you review the instructions for that letter either on the website or here on the application. When you have that letter, you can click on Browse. You'll select that letter and then click on Upload next to the letter here. And you should see a green check when that document has uploaded successfully. You can include any additional information that you would like us to consider along with your application. And then finally, you'll read and check your agreement with each of these 3 terms of agreement here. You'll click submit once you're all done, and you should receive a confirmation email that we've received your application, and we'll have an update for you within 2 to 5 business days.